Your chanting is successful 95% simply by concurrently chanting and hearing each nama. That way you should think. So that you don't become impatient about, oh, all these bhavanas are not coming. And Shanti, Shanti, let it come 1 year, 2 years, let it take. You read more and more, hear more and more. Is there an end to the to realize what all you should be grateful for to the Lord? No end. You'll go on realizing more and more. And personally in your life, as life moves on, you will feel specific instances of gratitude to the Lord. So it's a dynamic growth of relationship with the Nama Prabhu. Surrender. We surrender to so many things. Our mind surrenders to so many things. Eventually we learn everything surrender to Nama. When we have tension, we surrender to sense gratification. We get some relief. People know, with tension, they take a cigarette and they smoke. What does the devotee do when he gets tension? He smokes Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Constant cigarettes, no short of supply. And that is true, huh? Whereas that cigarette will not solve your problem. That cigarette will numb your cells intoxication. For us, Nama Prabhu solves the problem. Solves the problem if he considers it as a problem. Very often problems are good for the devotee. So we should not do our estimation. It's called Shraddha. Faith means whatever is happening to me, Lord is merciful. It's good for me. Let me respond to it in a Krishna conscious way. Faith. So far we talked about existence. Oh, Lord is present on my tongue and etc. Another thing is the nature of the Nama is faith, that he will not let me down. It's a relationship faith. And that's very, very, so many times Krishna tests that faith. Do you still have faith in me, or you left me? He will take you to the brink of collapse even. Then he will hold you. So the kind of faith that Prabhupada had. So all these examples you can see. So that is another leg. That's called relationship faith. That also we have to load in our. So when Shraddha means tool, presence of the Lord, something that you don't see, but he's there, unmanifest presence, and all the phenomena of empowering the Nama on the tongue, everything which you cannot see, you need to have faith. Plus you need to have faith in the person called Krishna. Person called Hare Krishna Nama Prabhu. You should have that faith that simply I'm not chanting. I'm in a relationship with the Lord. Okay. Can we go ahead with mindful japa if you don't get bhavanas from heart automatically? Can we go ahead? You should go ahead. I am already telling you. I am just introducing this Sadbhavana japa. Doesn't mean that you can do it. Even I cannot do it today so much. I may be a little better than you because I have practiced longer time. So not just because jnana is not equal to implementation. Knowledge is not equal to implementation. So you have to follow the process very patiently. You have to follow the process. And slowly, just a few minutes back I said, let it take a year, 2 years, 3 years, the bhavanas. Till then, whatever is your concurrent chanting come hearing, you please offer. And simultaneously work pre-japa time to read more, hear more, contemplate more. If you don't hear and contemplate more, it will be a very slow process.